If you are wondering when to fix it yourself and when to pick up the phone, here is the line between do it yourself and call a plumber. For simple issues, you can safely handle a slow sink drain, a running toilet, or relighting a gas water heater pilot if your manual clearly matches what you see. Start with a plunger on sinks or tubs, then a hand auger, and avoid chemical drain cleaners because they can damage pipes and create hazards. For a running toilet, replace the flapper, adjust the chain so there is a little slack, and set the float so the water line sits just below the overflow tube. If the water heater is lukewarm, check the thermostat setting. Flush a bucket of water from the drain valve to clear sediment, and replace accessible anode rods only if you are comfortable turning off gas or power and water and can safely relieve pressure. Know your shutoff valves. The toilet and sink stops under fixtures, the water heater cold supply, and the main house shutoff near the meter or where the line enters the home. If anything feels unclear or you cannot isolate water or power safely, stop and bring in a pro. Common mistake 1 is chasing a small drip for weeks, while it quietly rots cabinets and subfloors. If a joint keeps weeping after tightening once, shut off the fixture and call, since persistent leaks often mean failed seals or corrosion that need parts and proper sealing. Mistake 2 is overreaching on drain problems by snaking a main line without the right equipment, which can crack old cast iron or push a clog deeper. If more than one fixture backs up at the same time or a floor drain gurgles, that is a mainline issue, and it is time for a plumber with a camera and the right cable. Mistake 3 is starting complex installs like tankless water heaters, shower valves behind tile, or moving gas lines without permits or testing tools. If it affects gas, venting, pressure balancing, or code, schedule a licensed plumber and sleep better. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy for homeowners to post a plumbing job, compare local contractors, and read real profiles, then message the ones who fit your timeline and budget. We also help contractors find steady work and join our discussion community where we share tips, tools, and real-world fixes that keep projects running smooth.